Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max as well as some leather accessories and the Apple Series 7 watch. So first we're going to start off with the iPhone. So it has a little tab here that we're going to pull off. Don't know why I just did that. Oh my god, it's perfect. I got it in gold. So this is how it looks. In the box you get the usual, so charging cable and manual. So that is that for the iPhone. So let's go ahead and try and turn this thing on. I'm just looking at my computer so I can see everything that's happening in the viewfinder. Of course it says hello. It's super cute. So let's see what we can do here. So swipe up, we'll select the language, English of course, living in America. There's also a quick start option to set up manually, etc. So to do that, you need your current iPhone. So I'm gonna go grab that and see if this works. Okay, let's see if anything happens. Ooh, something did happen. Continue. Hold up your new iPhone up to the camera. Position the pattern in the circle. So it has, oh my goodness, you can't see anything on here. It's like totally washed out. Perhaps on purpose, but it has the little dots that have some sort of code. So we'll do that. And then it's asking for a passcode. And then it's just setting up the phone as we sit here. So old phone, new phone. The screen on this is like crazy bright. So it's asking to set up Face ID, which I like. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. So weird. Oops, didn't get the rest of the circle. There we go. Scan number 1 complete. Then another circle. I'm not particularly good at this, it would appear. See. All right, second scan complete. Then it's transferring the data from my old phone to this new phone, and apparently it requires it to be plugged in for that, so I'm gonna go do that as well. Okay, so while that's happening, we're just gonna talk about the phone. So it's definitely more beautiful than I imagined. I never actually saw this phone in real life. I've only seen pictures on it, stock images on the Apple website, etc. But it has the gold case, of course, and it's a shiny gold, which I like. On the edges, and the camera, or the individual cameras have a gold rim around them, which looks really nice. And I don't know, it just looks really good. And I like that this is there plastic on this? Let's see. So no, there isn't plastic on this. I guess this is just how the back looks. It's kind of like a frosted gold. So that's interesting. Didn't expect that either. All right. Now let's see how this thing looks with the golden brown leather case. So this is the case. This just pops out. It took me a while to figure that out. And let's see. Just some paper materials in here, nothing too exciting. And then I'm going to get a cleaning cloth because I'm like crazy like that. And then we're gonna pop this in here, okay? All right, so everything is as clean as it's going to be. So we're just gonna pop this thing in here. Ta-da! So this is the gold iPhone with the golden brown leather case. The golden brown is more orange than I thought it would be, but I honestly kind of like it. It kind of reminds me of the Hermes orange, which I'm sure people find appealing. I do not have anything from Hermes, maybe one day, but yeah. So I also got the leather wallet attachment, and I mostly got that for travel because sometimes it's like inconvenient like getting in and out of your phone. So let's see how that looks. All right, so leather wallet. It has a little sticky tab here, or a pull tab should I say. Well, I don't know that this pull tab does anything, but we'll see. Okay. Okay, so box, nice leather wallet, the usual pamphlet information, and then they're telling you to take out the card in here. Can you, like, how do you get this card out? This is so weird. This thing is like super snug. Yeah, there we go. I don't know why that was so hard. Okay, let's see. It's just giving directions that, you know, this part goes to the back of the phone, that part does not. It's pretty easy, so let's... This is my first time trying out the MagSafe feature, so this should be exciting. Let's see. Woo! So it looks really good together. It's super flush. Looks like it came that way. I don't know. I feel like doing that magnet feature thing again. Yeah, not so much. Nice. All right, so that is it for the Apple iPhone 13 unboxing. Yeah, I'm excited to like get in here, get the settings set up, and like have everything transferred. But so far, I am very pleased with my purchases. Both the case, the leather feels amazing, and it looks great. So this is definitely a worthwhile combo for sure if you're interested in something similar. So interestingly, the wallet, which I think the website did say, it has a find me feature, so you can locate the wallet if it falls off or when it is detached. So that's nifty. So I was just trying out the wallet feature on here. So this is just one of my credit cards that I use regularly, and that fits down in there pretty well. Doesn't appear like it's going to come out, which is nice. I think it said you can hold up to 2 cards, so let's see what else we can put in here. All right, here's another one. All right, so that's 2 cards in there nicely. The only thing is that you have to take this thing off to get the cards, and then you have the back and you just thumb up and the card comes out, which is cute. But if you have multiple cards, then you have to, you know, take out one after the other for whatever one you want. It depends. So I'm just going to give the one in here because that's the one that I use the most. And then we'll snap it back on. Okay, so now for the second part, the Apple Watch unboxing. So the new iPhone is still getting the data from my old iPhone, so I may not be able to set this up entirely, but we'll see, you know, how it looks like on and when it's being turned on. So I ended up getting the Starlight aluminum because I don't know, that was the one that was most appealing. It's the closest one to like gold and it's most neutral, and of course, you know, I love gold, so that's the one that I picked. I'm not a fan, we'll find out based on what I saw online, of the band color. So I ordered the green leather band called like a link band. When I get it eventually, I'll show you guys how it looks, but I haven't gotten it yet, even though I said it was delivered, so we'll be on the lookout for that. So let's get into this. Interesting. Okay. This is cute. You might not be able to see, probably not, but the inside of the box has little pictures of watches with various colors and bands on there. That's so cute. I feel like Apple, one of their winning, you know, or claim to fame or design points is that they always are very attentive to detail. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So very nice. And then we have the actual watch and the case. So let's get the case out of the way because we're going to put it on the watch as soon as we get it out. So pulling these little tabs is super satisfying. Fortunately, there's like a ton of glare from this window, which I did not anticipate, but we'll see how this turns out. Oh, actually, this looks much better in person. I was not expecting that, so of course it looks washed out here, but it is a little darker than my sweater. It's a neutral beige-ish tone, so that's pretty nice. So it comes with the longer band with the holes in it and the shorter band, so I'm going to be using the shorter band because my wrist isn't that wide. Alright, and then the next thing is the actual watch itself, so more of those tabs. Okay, so we have the Apple Watch over here, the usual informational packet, and then the charger, which looks similar to the old charger. But yeah, All right, let's open up this watch. How is this thing working? I'm assuming this peels or maybe not. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's so nice. We'll just go ahead and attach the straps so we can see how this thing looks. So I believe I normally have this orientation with this on top and the links at the bottom, but I don't know that it necessarily matters. If it does, someone let me know, because I could have been doing it wrong this entire time. The watch has started turning on. I'm not sure. I might have touched the button. Maybe it just does it automatically, not sure. Let's see what happens. So it wants to be paired with the watch, but my new phone is still in the process of rebooting, so we'll continue with the straps. Okay, well, let's see how this looks on. It's a little looser than the prior band that I had. So normally I wore that prior band on the 4th notch, but this one I have another 3rd notch, which is interesting. So this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. So like I said, it's similar to this, just a little bit darker, which is nice, because of course like neutrals. And this is the 41mm version, so the smaller of the two. I like the tone of this metal, so the Starlight. It's like a taupey silver color, which is nice. A little bit of gold, obviously, which is why I like it. And then interestingly, the dial on here has black in the center, which is not a feature of my old watch. So once my phone powers up, we'll go through the pairing process. All right, so we're about to set this Apple Watch up. All right, so now we're pairing. Has the little thing on the screen there. Let's see, restore from backup. Set up as a new Apple Watch. We'll do that. And it's just asking where you like to wear it. I normally wear it on my left wrist because I use that hand the least. And it's connecting. Terms of agreement. Okay. Then you can set up the text or the text size, which is nice. And set up a passcode. Let's see. And it's just syncing. Alright guys, that is it for the unboxing. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If you have any questions about anything that I got or what I specifically think about different features, then let me know in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.